If you are in a situation where you are thinking if you start your YouTube journey or not, I will say start immediately. Let me tell you why. Most of us have some sort of dream. Most of us are driven by something. If you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, the motive can be anything. Maybe you want to share your knowledge. Maybe you just want to build a follower, like a follower base. Maybe you just want to share something. Maybe you want to make sure that you are heard. Whatever is your reason, I will say start. The reason, until you start, you never know what this journey, like where this journey is going to take you. YouTube is such a platform where nothing is going to happen in one day. It takes effort, it takes consistency, it takes a lot of time. And you will only be able to discover whether you are actually cut out for YouTube or not once you start. Like if you are somebody who is driven to actually do YouTube regularly and take it seriously, there will be times, there will be tough times when you will have not, like you will have no product ideas or you will have no video ideas in your head. Even in those times, if you are actually interested in continuing to do this, then you will be able to find ideas anyway. But if you do not start, you will never figure out that actually whether you should have started it or whether you wanted to do it seriously or not. That is why I will say the first thing is you have to start to figure out whether you want to do it in long term or not. Second thing, what is the goal that you are trying to achieve? If you are trying to achieve the goal of earning from YouTube, I will say that is not a realistic goal. What I mean by that, I don't mean that you are not going to earn from YouTube, or I don't mean this dream of having a stable income and being a full-time content creator in YouTube, that is a false dream. I don't mean to do that. I don't mean to say that. What I mean to say is that is not day one. That is going to happen like later on down the line, like very far down the line. If you have this goal that whatever you are trying to do in YouTube, be it share something, teach something, express something, whatever it is, if it is so urgent to you, I don't mean like emergency kind of, like urgent means like you have this energy that you want to put out, you have this way that you want to express. Doesn't matter even if you have only one person listening to you. If you have that, then I will say start YouTube. And you should in that case start YouTube immediately, or even maybe let's say YouTube is not your platform, maybe you are starting content creation in TikTok or in Instagram or whatever it is. Wherever you are trying to start your content creation journey, if you are thinking about it and the reason that you have because of which you want to start the journey, if it is to share, if it is to make sure that other people also get to learn from your own experience, your own mistake, don't wait, just start it immediately. Because slowly you will find out that there will be one person who will try to listen to you, then one person will bring three of his friends, they will bring out three of their friends, and slowly you will start gathering people who are actually interested in listening to you. Until you start, that phase is never going to come. If you are thinking about perfection, if you are thinking about how you should start it and all, don't plan it. I'll say just be yourself. And you obviously have seen it from all of my videos, and from this video also you can imagine that I am not trying to filter out something. That is the first video that I put in my channel, that I am not going to keep a script of it. Doesn't matter how bad it gets, I'll try to make sure that I keep it raw. I'll try to make sure that I deliver my thoughts as it comes. And obviously I'm not saying that I'm gonna stay bad in content creation every single time. I'm gonna start, like I'm trying my best to improve in every single video, but that doesn't mean I want to make sure that okay, I need to make this video perfect, then only I'll be able to publish it. And I'm not trying to achieve that. All I'm trying to achieve is be myself. If I can talk to some of my friends like this, probably I will also find some of my friends in YouTube who are who are interested in listening to me. That's what I'm aiming for. That is why my motive was, I want to share my knowledge in YouTube, whatever experience I have gathered so far in my life. If I am not being able to share it, then I feel like my life experiences is wasted, and I do not want to be in that position. Looking back in my career or looking back in my life, I want to have this feeling that okay, I was able to help even a single person with my own experience, with my own faults and decisions that I took in my life. That is the reason why I started YouTube. If it ended up becoming big, well and good. If it didn't, if it stayed only to few hundred subscribers, thousand subscribers, perfectly fine. So that's why I will say, if you have this motivation, if you have this thinking that you want to start your YouTube career, your journey, if it is for the correct reason, start immediately. Don't think about it. Thanks.